Hi, in this video we are going to add action in a Flutterflow. So what is a action means we I think I need to some action perform. Suppose I want to perform some action when a specific page is load, or if I click on a button, then it would be perform some action just like click action, on tap action, on change action. So now I want to add the on page load accepts. Then select a page and right side first is property and second option is ops for action editor. I open action editor and here upper shown there on page load and on font seg. I select on page load and here click on add action and here add one alert pop-up. I on page loading I add action for page load is successfully, and the second action I want to add when I click on the button, then select the button widget and right side select the action and action flow editor. Here also I add the action and add here alert pop-up for knowing action is working or not. Now we can add the two action. First action is on page load and second is when I click on button. And now I go to browser and do instant reload for checking reflection is. Now project is started. Now we can see that page is load, then this action is performed, page load is successfully. Now I click this, then page is shown there, and when I click on this button, then also one action is performed, button is click. So here we can add the two action when page is load and second action is when click on button. So we can add this way we can add action in a Flutterflow UI. So here we can also add any action just like a app state and page state and any which is required for our execution.